In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate through Google Calendar to view your yearly schedule at a glance. Whether you're organizing personal commitments or managing work-related tasks, understanding how to access the annual view in Google Calendar can be a game changer for your planning efficiency. Let's get started and walk through this straightforward process step by step. To embark on your Google Calendar journey, we begin on the Google homepage. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a grid icon located in the top right corner of your screen, adjacent to your profile picture. This icon is your gateway to Google Apps, offering quick access to a variety of tools and services that Google provides. Next, give that icon a click, and a drop-down menu filled with Google Apps will appear. Scroll through the list until you find the Google Calendar icon and click on it. This will open up your calendar view where you can visually manage your time. The pane will likely display a default view such as a day, week, or month layout, but navigating to the annual view can be done with just a few clicks. Look to the upper right-hand side of your screen where you will see a small box reflecting the current view mode, whether it's day, week, or month. Clicking on this box allows you to change your calendar's layout according to your preference. Now what we need to do is to switch this view to year. So go ahead and click on that box to reveal other view options. Among these options, you'll find Year, which will provide you with a comprehensive snapshot of the entire year at a glance. This view is particularly helpful when you're looking to plan for long-term projects, track annual progress, or simply get an overview of holidays and special dates. Selecting the Year option will populate your screen with all 12 months of the calendar year, making it easy to scroll through and review any specific month or week within the wider yearly context. And just like that, you're done. You now have the power to explore your schedule in an annual view, making it easier to plot out long-term events or identify conflicts well ahead of time. Leveraging this feature in Google Calendar can significantly enhance your ability to manage time efficiently, ensuring you never miss another important date or deadline again. I hope you found this guide useful, and I encourage you to explore further features within Google Calendar to optimize your experience. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips to boost your productivity and organizational skills using Google tools.